Sofia Rakay and Herminia Handog.
Christine Signal.
So what is your course, ladies?
Diploma in Tourism Technology.
Same.
Yes,
Wow, but see. So yeah. So where are you from the barangay?
Actually, one is Shaton.
Shaton ka?
But we are currently residing in
I'm from Shaton. So where is the barangay of Shaton?
Lamtok.
Lamtok, barangay 2.
Barangay 4.
Shaton, Kasalaan.
Really? Same barangay. So are you boarding? So are you boarding house here?
Motong.
Motong. So how much your every month you rent?
Around 3K.
3K. One room. One room. It's very expensive.
Yeah.
How about you?
1.5.
1.5 per room.
Yes.
Included.
Included the electricity and water.
It's very cheaper than expensive with you. So how many people?
Because I'm rich. Joke lang.
How about you?
No, I'm not taking a boarding house. I'm not renting.
So do you have a relatives? Do you have a relatives here?
Yes.
Wow. So it's very beautiful from Shaton or Lokpe. Oh yeah, both us and from Shaton. It's very beautiful, right? So
Exactly.
what is your you are college or
Yeah, first year college.
wow. So how many siblings do you have in your families?
I have 8 siblings.
Do you have a young
One brother
and
is one.
then you're 7 girls.
Yeah.
Wow. How about you, Miss
We
Beautiful?
are 5 and I am the eldest. The only girl.
Wow, you're lucky. So how about you?
We are 10.
We are 10 siblings.
I'm the youngest.
Oh wow. So why you decide to schooling here in Dumaguete?
Bye. Because tourism is my dream plan.
Yeah, dream plan course. But in Shaton we don't have tourism.
Yes.
So how many course in college in Shaton?
I think there are 5 the basic criminology, business, IT, education, and HM.
So this is a lot here in Dumaguete, the course, right?
Wala pamilya yung choice kaya
yeah, because
we can reach the partial scoring.
because in Norso is
Very high standard.
yeah, standard. They have entrance fee, exam entrance.
Entrance exam.
So it's not it's very easy with you to schooling here. It's very far your family.
Not really because they're so expensive.
Yeah, that's true. It's very expensive. But you have always your mother always support with you about allowance or food.
I don't have a mat.
So sometime. You are from Lamtok, right?
Yes.
How about this, ma'am?
It's very so this one is from Shaton too.
No, Dawin.
Dawin. So kamo rang tulo.
No, Napa.
Also.
This one? From
I'm from Samar and I came here to study school.
wow. Wow. So your classmate?
Hey, bro.
Her classmate. Wow.
Practicing our
Practicing.
Our Zumba.
So what is the name of the school? Your Metro Dumaguete College.
8G lang.
So how much your every month your tuition?
We are scholar.
You have a scholar. Wow. So I asking with you how to apply to get scholarship.
You should take the exam.
You should pass the exam.
At the Metro Dumaguete. So how much the average? Your
It depends in their kuan.
Depends on your eligible skills.
eligible skill? Huh?
Power.
Yeah, it's very beautiful from Shaton, right? Yeah, from Shaton. A lot of people he see that from Shaton is very beautiful. Yeah. So
Wala yung mga pilog ko.
Miss Shaton. Oh, someday, right?
Yes.
Oh, because the festival of Shaton is coming.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, December 6. So every week you visiting your family?
No.
No. So how about
Sometimes.
sometime? Then how about your allowance? About your food?
Ito Palawan.
Ano pala? Because in Shaton a lot of rice, rice field.
It's called rice.
Yeah, it's very cheap over there. Cheaper the kilo. Compare here is very expensive here.
Mga doon na Miss Ground Zero, te.
Ha?
Wala, may klase.
Bato na mas ground zero.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Hello everyone. I have beautiful Filipina here. Your name is
Lasa.
Lesalen
Liana.
Diana. How old are you, Lesalen?
I'm 18.
You are schooling?
Yeah.
Where the school?
Asian College. Aksat.
Aksat? Your first year college?
No. Grade 12. Senior high school.
Senior high school. Wow. So, where are you from?
Pulang Batu, Valencia.
Valencia.
Asa dalit?
Valencia. Valencia lang ako. Dito sa Valencia, sa Pikas Nganday. You have your a lot of falls in Pulang Bato? What?
Pulang Batu Falls, Red Rock, Hot Spring.
Hot Spring, what else?
Mulang akong nahibalaan nga falls.
Because you introduce your falls. Because there's a lot of foreigners looking.
Daghanan.
What is the best falls in your place?
Para sa akon is Pulang Batu Jod, Pulang Batu Falls.
Pulang Bato. How about the Ocean 24?
Ocean 24 also. But
So,
kuan siya.
so how much entrance the falls in Pulang Bato?
I guess
Hot Spring?
no, kuan lahi pud ang Hot Spring, ang Red Rock ug ang Pulang Batu Falls. Kung mas sa Pulang Batu Falls ka,
How much per
100 per head.
And Ocean 24?
Same lang gihapon.
Same 100 in the Red Rock.
Red Rock, I guess 100. Hindi pataas ko ro. To dili man kay ko tig-kuan dito sa Pulang Batu o
Pero you're living at the Valencia. Because it's very famous in Valencia. There's a lot of falls.
tourist attraction.
Yeah. And then so you are going to college. So what is your plan in your life? So you mean to starting to senior high? So what is your plan to you're graduating to senior high?
Taking BSIT.
You like computer science technology? Because it's famous here in the IT, right?
Asian College.
Yeah. And then, how much your fee every year in the
Sa akon kay wala ara siya kay gikan man ko og public, so pag transfer na ko in Asian College, libre ra siya kay naman yung voucher.
Wow. You are
Free.
free. Then you're going to college in Aksat. Nice. Your mother, what is your mother?
Naa lang siya sa balay. Like nag-kuan siya mga pag-umangko na ko.
Your father?
Naa lang pud sa balay.
You're nice because very long because you're from Pulang Bato. Why you decide to going here for the senior high?
Kuan kaning totally dili man jud ako ang nagpili. Ate nako ang nagpa-eskwela.
So, is providing to your support. Good. And then, when you're starting classes?
Ay nag-start na mga sa 14 lang.
Nag-start na. So very early.
Oh,
Starting to class. No vacation?
walay vacation. Dili uso daw.
So, your place in Valencia, do you have a lot of fruits?
Oh, daghan karon kay kuan rambutan, tas lansones daghan na.
Season.
Oh,
The
season.
season time of the
Daghan kaayo.
fruit here. It's very famous in rambutan and lanzones. In your places, how much per kilo?
Dili ko kakuan kay pero naa sa mga 30 dagay.
Apirato na lang dahil mo.
30 na lang dagay. Kaya akong nakit-an ito sa ito kuan na maagian ako. Tag 30 na lang 30.
Sa amo sa for me in Valencia 40 data 40 per kilo.
Depende na sa kuan.
And then your places, there's a lot of visiting to going to
Oh, mga foreigner kalagmitan jud ang
there's a lot because there's a lot of tourist spots.
tourist spots.
Then it's kung sa ganing ngalan atong falls tong sa Kambukan at atong
Camp Bukad.
kato ganing na ay monkey. It's very it's close to the monkey. They have a big
Oh, sa Buayahan.
Abuayahan
Oh.
Falls. It's very
Sa
nice.
Buayahan. Yeah.
It's, the falls is bigger, close to the river, right? And then, if you're going to home, how much your
If
riding so cheap? How much your
if jeep imong sakyan paadto ito sa Valencia or sa Amuon kay 50
50
Oh. From Dumaguete to Valencia.
Before is 20.
Oh, nagkamahal na siya ron kay kuan.
50 pesos. So, it's not back and forth one ride, right?
Oh, one ride lang.
So, in Pulang Batu, there's a lot of falls over there. And your place is very cold, always raining.
Yeah. Bali jud kung nawa misan pa. Munang
Always raining every day. No hat, right? And then, what tell your places in Pulang Batu?
Pulang Batu ako ay ma-describe is kanang kuan siya. Haning very daghan ang mga tourist attraction and kuan hanang mga hospitable ang mga tao.
Please invite the people who's watching with you.
Akong gi-imbitar ang tanan sa pag-adto sa among lugar kay ito
Inglesa.
so I invited all the nag-watch sa na mo visit our place in Pulang Batu. It's so very nice jud siya and dili ka ma-bored and hospital
Sa mga tao dito.
Yeah.